Grace is showing you what life is like with a smile on his face. So come along, you really can't go wrong, cause Grace knows the place.
Yeah, welcome to Grace Knows the Place. Karibu nyote hapa kwenye Grace Knows the Place. Yeah, mimi nafanya video ya kuweza kuonesha gisi mimi nasonga bugali. Na mimi najua bengi kunyie unajua gisa kusonga, lakini kwa penda tu kuweza kupartage hii video na nyie sasa ile rafiki wa ndugu ya muweze kuona gisi mimi napiga. Ya sitasema mingi ya, lakini kwa napenda kuweza tu kusema gisi mimi napenda bugali na shote kati tunajua gisi tunakomala tunakula bugali kila siku. Bugali ni kitu yenyewe kama tunakula tuko pamoja, tunachangia, ni wakati ashikuweza kuongea, kuweza kujuana shipeke kama vile wa ndugu wala marafiki. Na ndio maana mimi napenda nifanye video kwa juu mimi napenda bugali sana. Nikikia kwako kabisa bugali ukinipa, ukinipa bugali sababu tuko marafiki. Yeah, na yote enjoy ile. Hello everyone. Yeah, let me show you how to make Congolese Fufu and why Congolese Fufu. Like I said earlier, I want to show you how you can make your own fufu. There's so many varieties of flour that you can use to make your own fufu. You can use like plantain, cassava, corn, yam to make your own fufu. Like as you see here, I'm enjoying my own fufu that I made at home. So today I just want to show you how you can make your own fufu at home that you love and you feel proud of and you really enjoy it. So you first like let the water steam on the stove, and then after the water like get boiled, like then you put like any flour that you want to use, if it's cassava, corn or plantain. Yeah, then you stir it or you pound it. You pound it like in the saucepan. And after you pound it, and like next you see it like it kind of like start getting like kind of like mashed, like kind of like potato, like how you do like mashed potato. It will have like that kind of like feeling to eat while you just like keep pounding it. And the thing to know, like you have to use like the right temperature, like when you're cooking it, because you don't want it to get burned to have that like smell of like food when it's burned. So that's like why like you need to make sure like you keep it like on the right temperature. As you see here, I just want to like really like go close up like with my camera to make sure that like you can really see how like it looks after you stir it for a couple of minutes. And it can be like that like if you have like right temperature. So it doesn't have to be like low or high. I feel keep it like in the like average or like good like temperature. And here's after like I already like done prepare the fufu, and that was like goat meat, and now I'm enjoying my food. Yeah, I love like eating like Congolese fufu. Fufu is a Congolese dish like in the Democratic Republic of the Congo and other Central and West African countries. I have so many reasons why I love fufu so much, and it means like just like everything to me. Like my whole childhood, like I grew up as a kid eating fufu like every single day. And I still can't get enough of it. Like fufu, like I can't spend a week without eating fufu. Like I better like leave, like stop eating anything else, but I still want to get my own fufu. And fufu is like part of like our cultural identity, we as Congolese people. Like when we eat fufu, like it's a symbol, or like it's a like heritage, and like something that like help us to connect as Congolese people. So like I'm inviting you today to learn how to make your own fufu, so you can join us and you can be having a good time, like getting together with friends and family, and good time to chat and get to know each other. Thank you so much.
You might be newly in the USA and in need of a guide, or just looking for a glimpse of life from a perspective on the outside. Well, never fear, cause Grace is here to take you on a ride. He's happy to meet you, he's always on your side. Chris is showing you what life is like with a smile on his face. So come along, you really can't go wrong, 'cause Grace knows the place.